Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to make new code in Python. Be teaching you new code. Let's get started. So first, if you want a full screen like me on your computer, the command is Alt Enter. Just click the Alt button and then the Enter button. Okay, there we go. Now let's start with the code. I taught you last time that what the print command does. We just do this. It doesn't really matter if you put double quotes or quotes, but sometimes it matters. I'll get to that later. So yeah, let's just do double quotes for now. It's usually better. We just put parentheses first, double quotes, and type hello world. Now it says hello world. Now let's make a variable. So a variable is like this letter or thing that you assign to something. Let me show you. X equals, let's put a parentheses first and then double quotes, then type hi, my name. Now let's type print. But guys, do not mistake this. Especially do not put quotes if you are printing the variable, because watch what happens. It just literally prints out X. You don't want that to happen. So what you want to happen is this. You don't want the quotes. Now we just enter. See, now it says hi, my name. Now let's also make another variable called y. Y equals is my name is K. Okay, it's K. So I'll just put this, double quotes, my name is. Let's just do that. No, wait. I already did that. Is K. Now let's just double quote this again. Parentheses. Now print wait. Print y equals is K. Now let's also make another one. Z equals parentheses, quotes, and U. Now we double quote this. Now we just put the parentheses, and now let's type print Z, and now we print we just print we put the parentheses X comma Y comma Z. Now we put another parentheses and watch what happens. See, it makes a whole new thing. Now let me teach you about the len command or length. So what it does is find out the amount of letters in a variable. So let me show you. So let's just count before we do it. So let's just do X and hi, my name. By the way, spaces do count. Between the I and M and hi, my, the space also counts as a letter, so don't get confused if it like says something more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there's 10 spaces in there. So now we print parentheses len x. Now see what happens? It creates the number 10 because that is 10. There's 10 of them. So now let me tell you another one. We'll print parentheses and then we'll just do this. So we'll also do the find x. Okay, so that command was not the one. So also we can do this by print len x minus 1. Okay, so it doesn't work. Let's just do another one. Now print, now we'll put 3 of these. Hello world. Now see what happens? It creates 2 different stuff. Hello and world. Okay, so you can, so yeah, that's what happens. Also, I'll just tell you another one. Print, parentheses, bracket, quotes, and then let's type the, let's just do the len command. And let's just type z, y, x. Now we do double of these because this is one and these are another one. Okay, I forgot to add a comma here. So I do this, then I do this. Oops. Okay, so I accidentally put, the quotes. Print len parentheses z y x. Okay, now see. So yeah, it might have made a mistake. So let me show you. Oh yeah, so I forgot to add that. Okay, let's just not do that for now. So, okay, so let's do one more for this lesson. And let's just type print len y. What do you think will happen? Well, let's just look how many letters y has. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. Now let's see what happens. Okay, so it was correct again. So I hope you guys enjoyed my lesson about Python again. And next time, I'll be teaching you a bit more advanced stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.